A very warm good morning to one and all. Today, we are celebrating Children's Day. Children are like buds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. With this inspiring thoughts of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, let us start our function with a prayer. Let us join our hands together to receive the blessings from our Almighty God.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते.
On November 14th, nation celebrates Children's Day in memory of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. His birth anniversary is celebrated as Children's Day all over the country because of his immense love and affection towards children. As you all know, we celebrate this day in a fabulous manner every year in our school. In the wake of COVID pandemic, we are stranded and physical gathering become impossible. So we virtually celebrate Children's Day. The duty cast upon me is to welcome all the participants. Today's function is being presided over by Madam Sushmita, our in-charge principal. I cordially may I invite Madam Sushmita to offer the flowers to the photo of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
मैडम थोड़ा इधर लो.
Thank you, Madam. Now let me invite Madam Sushmita to address our students.
Good morning to all my dear students. I thank Sheena ma'am and all the primary teachers for having invited me for this small program in connection with Children's Day. Today is being celebrated as Children's Day, 14th of November, which is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was very affectionate to children. In fact, all his books, his speeches, all the affection what he has for children, he has reflected those in the form of his writings, in books and also all the speeches. Today is the day which is your day. It is dedicated to all my dear children of the primary classes in particular. Really very glad to be part of this program, and according to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, why is this day so important? According to him, he believed that today's children will make India tomorrow. The way we bring up children will decide what the future of our country is tomorrow. Not only our country, the entire world. The future is in your hands. All teachers take all their efforts to enlighten the children and to show them the right path. So children, when you are in the midst of friends, please remember to always, whenever you decide something, please remember that you always have to choose the right over the wrong. Choose what is right and don't stand for the wrong. Okay? And you should understand what are the different rights the child should get right from his childhood. There are different rights. One is right to free education from the age of 6 to the age of 14 onwards. 6 to 14. Second thing is the right to be protected from abuse, violence, and to be involved in certain jobs due to economic necessity which is harmful to them. for their age and strength. So there are different such rights. They should be given rights to enjoy life. They must be provided equal opportunities. All children have the right for that. Okay, so there are different rights what children have to enjoy right from their childhood. So that is very important. And our former Prime Minister was fondly called by children as Chachaji because of his love and affection towards children. And he was very instrumental in the establishment of some of the prominent institutions of our country, like the IIT, IIM and AIIMS. It was his vision that these institutions should be established. And according to his vision, all these institutions, world-class, they provide world-class education to children. And he was very particular that children should receive the best education. He advocated for children to have very fulfilled education. That was his vision, and it has come true. And we just hope that many of the children who are still underprivileged, not able to have access to schools, have the access and be able to be educated by their parents. Okay, so on this occasion, let me tell you that all your teachers have just one dream. Our dream is to see your dreams come true. We will wait for the day when your achievements will be celebrated by all of us in the school. In spite of this being a virtual program, I'm sure that you're going to miss many of the programs which were hosted till last year on this occasion. So once again, children, I wish you all the very best and wishing you all happy Children's Day. God bless you all. See you very soon, and let's hope the school reopens as early as possible so that we can have a better gathering in the Vidyalaya. Thank you very much. Thank you.
May I invite Mr. Rupesh for the felicitation. Sir, please.
आदरणीय प्रिंसिपल मैम, हमारी प्राइमरी इंचार्ज मैम श्रीमती सीना टीके, मेरे प्यारे साथियों और प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं कि आज हम लोग बाल दिवस मनाने के उपलक्ष्य में यहाँ पर एकत्रित हुए हैं। तो प्यारे बच्चों, हम बाल दिवस हमारे प्यारे नेता चाचा नेहरू की याद में मनाते हैं। नेहरू जी का जन्म 14 नवंबर 1889 को इलाहाबाद में हुआ था और इनकी मृत्यु 27 मई 1964 को हुई थी। ये स्वतंत्र भारत के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री रहे और इन्होंने एक रिकॉर्ड भी बनाया। ये लगातार 3 बार हमारे भारत के प्रधानमंत्री रह चुके हैं। इन्होंने भारत के विकास के लिए बहुत सारी योजनाएं बनाई, जिनमें से 5 ईयर प्लान्स यानी कि पंचवर्षीय योजनाएं प्रमुख योजना है। चाचा नेहरू जी का स्वतंत्रता संग्राम के दौरान भी अभूतपूर्व योगदान रहा। उस दौरान वो 2 बार भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष रहे। हमारे चाचा नेहरू की इच्छा थी कि उनका जन्मदिन बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाए, क्योंकि वो बच्चों से बहुत प्यार करते थे। उनका विचार था कि बच्चे ही हमारे भावी भारत के निर्माता हैं। मैं भी आप सभी से यही आशा करता हूं कि आप सभी अपने माता पिता गुरुजनों का आदर करेंगे और अपने भावी जीवन में सफलता की बुलंदियों को छुएंगे।
Master Rohit P. Raj of Class 5 will present a speech.
Esteemed Principal, respected teachers and my dear friends, a warm good morning and Children's Day wishes to you all. We all know the history and importance of Children's Day. Likewise, the love and affection of Chacha ji towards children and roses. Let me tell a story of a brilliant boy. One day, some boys were playing with a ball in a ground. While so, the ball fell in a pit. Everybody tried to take the ball out, but failed. One among them brought some water in a pot and poured it into the pit. When the pit filled with water, the ball came up and the children were very happy. Do you know who that boy is? He became a freedom fighter and leader of India. He worked for education, welfare and progress of children in India. He evolved a plan to provide free meals and education to school children. He once said, children are the power of our country as they build developed society in future. This brilliant boy became the first Prime Minister of India, who is none other than our Chacha Nehru, that is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. We celebrate Panditji's birthday as Children's Day by considering his love and care towards children. Once again, I extend Children's Day wishes to one and all. Thank you.
I invite Madam Asha Rani to propose vote of thanks. Madam, please.
A warm and graceful morning to our dear Principal in Charge Madam Sushmita Mary Robbins, Senior PRT Madam Sheena TK, my dear colleagues and my dear students. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really hard to make this Children's Day celebration happen. As you know, every year we are celebrating Bal Divas on 14th November. This year we celebrated Children's Day on virtual mode because of this corona pandemic situation. Now, first of all, I really thankful for Madam Sushmita Mary Robbins. She has given us a very important message on this occasion. Thank you, Madam, for your valuable message to the children. Now I extend my gratitude towards all the staff of Kendriya Vidyalaya Kalkata for their sincere efforts. I am immensely thankful to Madam Sheena TK for her valuable efforts, her own ideas and elegance of explanation of everything. I need to mention my deepest sense of appreciation. I also extend thanks to all the staff members for their enormous cooperation with the organization of this gala event. Now I want to say thanks to all parents and well-wishers for your rock-solid support system and encouragement. Without your support, children were not able to achieve excellence. Thank you so much for attending this event.